Sitting in a pine sun, we remember holes are wasted, predated and can't save anymore. Ship's last journey and come to an end. Long life to Imbimutaro, bring us safely wherever we go, with a brave and courage take you from harm. Such evil ways from prostrated hotels. Scary bombs that strike on us, but somewhat a miracle came to our life. Nothing at all that we can save our lives. This day, looking each other, others on eyes white with fingertips. We save you as much you save us, saving our lives, giving life to our families. Long life to Imbimutaro, bring us safely wherever we go, with a brave and prayer protect you from harm. Such evil ways, we are those innocent victims. Bring us peacefully to the last journey. To each one who was Imbimutaro that attacked by Houthis rebel on October 20, 2024.